Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to crop video online using Canva. This is a quick and easy way to trim your video and focus on the most important parts. Now, let's get started. For example, here is your video and you want to crop it so that it will focus on a specific area. If there is a part you want to highlight, all you have to do is click your video and then click the crop button or crop toolbar at the top. If that doesn't work, look for the option here. As you can see, you can drag it to make it bigger. Just adjust it to where you want the focus to be. If you want this part to be the focus, simply adjust the crop. Once you're done, click Done. Now, as you can see, the video is focused on that specific part. That's how we crop video online with Canva. With just a few simple steps, we can adjust the video and make it clean and professional.